How to save to device after posting a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save to device after posting a video on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, click on upload and choose one of your videos. For example, I choose this video. Now click on next, and for save to device, all you need to do is click on more options, and like you see, save to device on my TikTok is on. Now you can turn off or on like you want. So this is it guys, it's so easy. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.